Hi, hi, dear students. How are you? I am just meeting all of you after a very long time on YouTube. Although I was very active on the social site from time to time, but I thought it has gone long since I interacted with all of you. And now the time has come once again when I'm going to tell something about my opinions in the changing scenario when the whole world is struggling to come out from a pandemic. In this condition, I believe that all of you students are confined to your rooms, to the four walls of your houses, and you must be having your own plans, own ideas about the life. The same thing as a teacher, as a veteran in my own field, I want to throw some light of mine upon different aspects of the life where you can look for the new careers or new opportunity in coming days. My dear students, my meeting with you is after a long time. That's the reason I want to focus on some relevant topics which might be found very productive for all of you in coming days. You know that how the pandemic COVID-19 has changed the entire scenario of the world, and every country of the world is struggling to come out of these tough situations, and where only the people with mental toughness just survive. And this is why a lot of old opportunities have gone out of your control, and many new opportunities are likely to come in front of all of you. And that's the reason all of you have to be very, very conscious about all these new opportunities and these new changing trend that would give lots of new ideas about you of the world, including regular source of the income that may be generated because of the new opportunities which would come in front of you. My dear student, first of all, I want to tell you, whatever the considerations may be, you know that I am your teacher. Yeah, I have been the teacher of thousands of my students over the year. The very basic thing which I want to tell today, in the changing scenario, what all of you need, you need something different. The different, something relevant, something pragmatic, something up to your necessity, something which is the requirement for everyone in today's world. So my dear student, first of all, I want to tell you that English language, that is the global language, which is the language of more than 200 countries of the world, have previously helped thousands of my students in securing very good careers in their life. Similarly, I hope this would also help all of you a lot. You would be very happy to know that I recently started my online classes, and I'm guiding most of my students these days because I'm restricted not to teach offline. And with that consideration, I decided to offer my tuitions for those desirous students who are interested in learning English as a modern language. So I have been helping them with my own methods, with my own techniques, which not only help the people from the rural area, but it also help people from urban areas too. My own methods, my own techniques, which are based on different kinds of the research and experimented with thousands of the students over the years, who have emerged very successful with their ventures, with their endeavors, are the pride cases of mine. So I must tell that in changing scenario, you have got an opportunity. If you are really very much interested, then you can take the benefits of my online teaching. Otherwise, your brother, sister, uncle, aunts, or whoever may be related to you, including your friends, may join me because I try to teach differently from basic to top. Through the WhatsApp and through the Zoom class, and even through the live class through different sessions. So my dear student, I want to tell, in the changing scenario, whoever you are, yeah, whatever your condition may be, but the value of the communication skill has still not dwindled even in the changing scenario. You know that if most of the countries which are operating in China, if they pull out of China, definitely they will come to India, even though we are going with the slogan of self-dependence. But self-dependence does not mean that we have closed the doors for the multinational companies or for the other companies, because India is a second big market in the world next to China. When the companies come out of the China, they will definitely like to invest their money in the different sectors of the country. In that circumstances, still those companies will not come with their people, but they will try to recruit Indians with good capability of communication skill. At the same time, they will seek for the bright, young, and attractive and handsome persons and girls and boys who would be able to give their contribution in their designated works or in whatever the works they assign to you. In every situation, I believe that the value of English language will not come down, because it will grow day by day, it will multiply day by day. Only it depends upon you how you are changing yourself with the changing scenario. And that's the reason I always tell my students that your adjustability, adaptability and acceptability will give you the strength, and you will become very successful in coming days with those newly invented or discovered traits. So never try to ignore these changing things, because in the changing time, if you don't change yourself, then everything will go against you. Of course, there is the tough situation, but I think human spirit has been always tougher than the whatever the conditions may be. And this is why I always tell time and again that you guys must become very strong internally, externally, and must go towards the new opportunity and new things. And that's the reason I believe that my online class is guiding hundreds of my students. Similarly, you too may join with your knowledge, with your information. Okay, everything is online, and you may have lots of the advantages. And I have once again become active on the YouTube, and I would be coming with lots of some useful videos, even free of cost for the students from time to time. But that is not going to help you. In fact, I believe that your success in the field of English language depends upon your lots of practices, and those practices which I conduct live, and through those live practices, you try to change yourself, your position, your condition, and then lots of things come in front of you. So never forget to ignore those things. Otherwise, you might lose the very important race of your life, because disease comes and goes away. But your confidence, your determination, your position, your awareness, your information, all these things definitely help you to change your personality and help you in securing very lucrative careers for yourself. So my dear students, just believe in yourself, believe in your attitude, and keep on working hard as much as possible. Then you will find everything is going, you're changing as per your condition, as per your choices. So never lose your hope, never lose your confidence, and remain as firm as possible. And if you find the time, if you haven't joined my class in the past, then you can join and get benefits. I welcome anyone from any part of India and the globe to join my classes. I teach from the basic to the top level with very comfortable methods, which I think are going to help all of you in the changing scenario, and that would definitely ensure not only careers in the government sector, in the public sector, but it would ensure different kinds of the newly formed careers in private sectors too, when lots of companies are going to invest their money in Indian market during COVID situation or post-COVID situation. These have become the realities of modern time, and I don't think any of you will definitely ignore this and just put your career at risk. Because being your teacher, being the probable teacher of many probable guys or desirous guys, I may be big help to all of you if you show your interest in me, show your confidence in my ability. I hope that you'd be gaining out of my teaching. Okay, my dear. Okay, bye-bye. I once again meet you in my next class on YouTube, where I would be guiding on some important topics which are related to the growth of your knowledge and awareness of English language, including your personality. Okay, bye-bye. Be strong, be firm, and be optimistic, and never forget to take benefits out of my teaching. Okay, bye bye. Okay, take care.